Students, previous video you are learned exercise 4.1 first problem and second problem. Now third problem. A vertical stick of length 6 meter cast a shadow 400 centimeter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Using similarity, find the height of the tower. What is given in the question? Yes, for it is 6 meter is the length of the stick. Their shadow of the stick is 400 centimeter, and 28 meter is the shadow of the tower. Using this, we have to find the height of the tower. You have to draw the diagram for the given problems. Okay, so that is it is height tower. AB is the tower, then D is stick. Okay, so you have to draw one right angle triangle. For it is height of the tower, it is height of the stick. Height of the stick already given in the question, 6 meter. Yes, we want to find height of the tower, so it is unknown. You have to consider as a h. Okay, then also given, so it is the shadow of the stick. Shadow of the stick, for this is the stick, their shadow falls on the ground this side. It is 400 centimeter. 400 centimeter means that is 4 meter. Yes, then the shadow of the tower is 28 meter. For in this question, shadow of the stick is equal to 400 centimeter. Shadow of the tower is 28 meter. So it is centimeter, it is meter. So you have to convert it as in the same unit. So shadow of the stick is 4 meter. Shadow of the tower is 28 meter. Okay, students. Yes. So that is, you have to consider, let AB is equal to h meter be the height of the tower. DE is equal to 6 meter be the length of the stick. Also, what is given in the question? BC. BC be the shadow of the tower. Shadow of the tower is equal to 28 meter. Then EC. EC is the shadow of the stick. That is 400 centimeter. That is equal to 4 meter. Okay. So you have to observe this picture. We have two triangles. Yes, that is triangle ABC and triangle DEC. We have to apply the similarity rules. Yes, for similarity rules, when you have to apply, we have to check they are satisfied with that AA criteria. Yes, for easily you have to check the angle C is common. Yes, this angle is common for both the triangle ABC and triangle DEC. Then also for this is 90 degree. Yes, angle B is 90 degree, angle E also 90 degree. So the two angles are equal. So by AA criteria, we have to conclude that these two triangles are similar. So the triangles are similar, we know their corresponding sides are in a proportion. Students, that is, for a triangle ABC and triangle DEC, angle AE is common. Yes, students. So that is, angle E is common. Angle C is common. Then angle ABC, for this angle B and angle E is equal to 90 degrees. So it is written as angle ABC. For this is angle DEC. Yes, students. So it is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. So by AA criteria, triangle ABC and triangle DEC are similar. These two are similar. Their corresponding sides. Corresponding sides, first you have to consider this outer triangle. Yes, that big triangle AB. Their corresponding sides may know the same like that. Yes, it is DE. AB by DE. Next, first you consider this big triangle, you know. Yes, so another side is BC. BC by EC. Okay, students. Yes, so that is AB is H. BC, DE is 6. That is equal to BC. The full length already given. Shadow of the tower, that is 28 by 4. Okay, 1 4 is 4, 7 4s are 28. So that is h by 6 is equal to 7. So we want to find h value. So this 6 you have to transpose this side. 6 into 7, 42. So height of the tower is equal to 42 meter. Students, now fifth question. In the adjacent figure, triangle ABC is right angled at C. Okay, the diagram is given. In triangle ABC, right angled at C. Okay, and DE is perpendicular to AB. DE for this line, it is perpendicular to AB. We have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle AED. ABC is similar to triangle ADE, and hence find the lengths of AE and DE. AE we want to find, and also DE we have to find. Students, first you have to draw the given diagram. The diagram is given in the question itself. You have to draw its side. Then what is given in the question? Given triangle ABC is right angle at C. Yes, triangle ABC is right angle at C. It is given in the question, and also given this DE is perpendicular to AB. Yes. So from this right angled triangle, for it is any one of the angle is 90 degree, we conclude that it is a right angled triangle. Yes, it is in right angled triangle ABC, for which is a hypotenuse AB. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Yes, so AB square is equal to 5. For this length, for it is 3, it is 2. It is given in the question itself. So the full length is 5. Yes, that is 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square value 25 plus 144. Why we are applying here Pythagoras theorem? Because one side is unknown. So we have to find this length of AB. Okay, students. Yes, that is AB is equal to, you have to add these two, that is 169. That is equal to 169. AB is equal to square root of 169. Their value, you know, that is 13. Root 169 value is 13. Yes, for we know that AD is equal to 3, DC is equal to 2, BC is equal to 12. Yes, so that is now what we found. AB is equal to 13. So what are the values are given, you have to write. Now triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and ADE, you have to compare these two triangle. For this is 90 degree, AED and ACB is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is common for both the triangles. So by A similarity, these two triangles are similar. Okay, how you have to find the similarity? How you have to apply the similarity? Any two angles are equal for the given two triangles are similar. Yes, we found for angle A is common for two angles. For this small triangle, one angle is 90 degree. For this big triangle, angle C is 90 degree. So we have to apply AA similarity or AA criteria. Okay, so that is triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE. So these two are similar. We have to say their corresponding sides are in a proportional. So how you have to find their corresponding sides? Yes, so that is, for you have to consider this small triangle and this greater triangle, big triangle, the 90 degree opposite side. Yes, that is 90 degree opposite side is what? AD by AB. For this 90 degree opposite is AB. Okay, we have to select the sides properly. Okay, for this small triangle, first you have to consider the small triangle side, that is your wish. Big triangle side by small triangle or a small triangle side by big triangle, that is your wish. You have to select properly. Okay, so that is AD. AD is 90 degree opposite. The same, how you have to find this 90 degree opposite is AB. That is equal to AE. Their adjacent side. For here, what is the adjacent side? AC. So that is equal to DE. Another one side, which side is missing? DE by BC. Okay. So now AD value 3, AB value 13. We found, you know, this is 13 AB. AB is 13. That is equal to AE by AC. AC is how much? This full length, 3 plus 2, 5. That is equal to DE by 12. So now AE by, you have to compare these two. First two ratios you have to consider. AE by 5 is equal to 3 by 15. So that is equal to AE is equal to 3 into 5 by 13. So that is 15 by 13. So now another two ratios you have to consider. First you have to compare these two, then you have to compare these two. Okay, DE by 12 is equal to 3 by 13. That is DE equal to 3 into 12. This 12 transpose, it's become multiplication. Division 12 become multiplication. 3 into 12 by 13. 36 by 13. Okay, so AE is equal to, how you got to find AE is equal to 15 by 13. DE is equal to 36 by 13. Okay, we want to find what are the sides you have to find. So you have to take and write separately. AE is equal to 15 by 13. DE is equal to 36 by 13. Okay, the question they asked AE value. AE is equal to 15 by 13. DE is equal to 36 by 13. Students, now sixth question. In the adjacent figure, triangle ACB is similar to triangle APQ. ACB is similar to APQ. BC is equal to 8 cm. PQ is equal to 4 cm. BA is equal to 6.5 cm. AP is equal to 2.8 cm. Find CA and AQ. CA and AQ. We want to find this length and this, for this side length and AQ length. Students, what are the measurements are given? First you have to mention in the diagram. You have to draw the diagram and mention. BC is equal to 8 cm. PQ is equal to 4 cm. BA is equal to 6.5 cm. And AP is equal to 2.8 cm. We want to find CA for this measurement and AQ measurement. Okay, for what is given in the question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. For this triangle is similar to this triangle. Yes, that you have to mention. So these two triangles, you no need to prove these two are similar, because already given in the question itself these two are similar. So directly you have to apply the similarity rules. So that is, their corresponding sides are in a proportion. So corresponding sides, how you have to calculate? That is AB by AQ. These two are corresponding. Yes, AB by AQ and BC by PQ. For these two are corresponding, these two are corresponding. Next CA by AP. Okay, CA by AP. So now you have to apply the values. AB value, what is AB value? AB is 6.5. AQ is unknown. BC is 8. Yes. PQ is 4. Then CA is unknown. Yes, CA is unknown. AP is 2.8. Now you have to simplify the values. Yes, you have to compare. For it is 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Yes. Now you have to compare these two. First ratio and second ratio you have to compare. Yes. Then you have to compare second and third. Yes, for these two ratios are known values. Yes, these two ratios values are known. So these values compare with the unknown ratios. Yes, this 2 by 1 compare with 6.5 by AQ, and the same 2 by 1 compare with the CA by 2.8. Students, we have to compare. CA by 2.8 is equal to 2 by 1. 6.5 by AQ is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, so that is using this first one. CA is equal to this 2.8 transpose to right hand side, that is 2 into 2.8. So CA is equal to, you have to make multiple 5.6 centimeter. Then you have to compare these two. So that is 6.5 by AQ is equal to 2 by 1. This AQ you have to transpose. Yes, otherwise you have to make a cross multiplication. Yes, that is 6.5 is equal to 2 into AQ. So AQ is equal to 6.5 by 2. So that is equal to 3.25. You have to divide these two, 3.25 centimeter. Okay, for this division, do you have any doubt? Division 6.5 by 2. 1 2 is 2. So that is 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 5 2s are 10. Okay students, 3.25 centimeter. Students, now 8th problem, it is important 2 mark question. Yes, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that area of triangle ABC is 9 cm square and the area of DEF is 16 cm square and BC is equal to 2.1 cm. Find the length of EF. Yes, the area of triangle ABC area and triangle DEF areas are given. Using that, we have to find the length of EF. Students, for this problem, we have to recall this result. The area of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of any two corresponding sides. That corresponding sides we have to consider what are the values given, BC and EF. Okay, these two you have to consider as a corresponding sides. Okay, they are related areas. For a 9 cm square is area of triangle ABC. For triangle DEF area is 16 cm square. Okay, so you have to write this result. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. The given sides you have to consider, BC square by EF square. So their triangle ABC area is 9 centimeter square. Yes, that is a unit. By 16 is equal to BC values given in the question itself, 2.1 whole square by EF square. Yes, that is taking square on both sides. Yes, students. Yes, taking square on both sides means, what is this meaning? Taking square root. Taking square root means, you know, so that is 9 by 16 is equal to square root of 2.1 whole square by EF square. Yes, so when you are taking square root, for root 9 value 3, root 16 value 4 is equal to, for here square and square root cancel, square and square root cancel. So 2.1 by EF. Then you have to make a cross multiplication. 3 into EF is equal to 4 into 2.1. Yes, 4 into 2.1 you have to make multiple, that is 8.4. Yes, that is EF is equal to 8.4 by 3. Yes, that is 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6, balance 2, 8 3s are 24, 2.8 centimeters square.